driving music for you.
I feel like I might wear this hair to the concert. Hit Fabo on the phone, where you at? You were drunk. This is what you got a rock star. I'm a rock star. Woke up to niggas talking like me. Don't I look like a guitarist? Ooh, hey, it's out of tune. Hello. Oops, no. Hi guys, it's Chloe Carter with 2 R's. I keep on doing this. I actually keep on putting out 4 fingers. Hi guys, it's Chloe Carter with 2 R's. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have had a really good week. I'm back with another video again. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair curly and how I basically style my short new wig. So you know, first of all, I've had this wig since July and I only started wearing it in August. But I'm not gonna lie, certain people, yeah, I'm not gonna say no names, but certain people wanted to be laughing at me because basically, yeah, let me reverse. The inspiration is funny behind this wig. Have you guys watched A$AP Rocky Fashion Killer? And it stars Rihanna and she has like this short hairstyle. And when I saw it, I was like, raw, that looks hard. I want to do that. It's like kind of like feminine but it's masculine at the same time. I was like, that looks cool. I brought the idea to some people in my household. They wanted to be laughing. They were like, oh, it's not gonna suit you, I don't think that's gonna work. They were making fun of the wig. They were laughing, he 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 he, ha ha ha. But when they saw the wig, did they not tell me, oh Chloe, your hair looks so nice like that, oh can you make me one? No, I'm not making you one. And no, I'm not even accepting your compliments to me because you wanted to be laughing and tutus now you're like, oh raw, this looks nice, da, 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 da. Nah. But for the majority of people who were like, raw, your hair looks really nice, people thought I cut my real hair. Got a lot of attention the first day I put it out. I posted it on Twitter as well. That got a lot of buzz. So I was like, you know what, let me show you guys how I style it. First of all, this wig is customed by the Frontal lab. Shout out the Frontal lab. Hey, where is the lace? Where is the lace? Hey, bust down Tatiana, where the lace at? Where the lace at? So it's customized by a page called the Frontal lab. I always get my wigs customized by them. She customized the frontal and then I made the wig afterwards. So let's get into this video. So the first thing that I do is clean the wig. I cleaned it last night. You can just buy rubbing alcohol. The rubbing alcohol looks like this. You can get it from any hair supply store. I just get it from Pack to clean the lace. The next thing that I do is I get my foundation. I usually choose any basic foundation that I have, but I don't know why I use my NARS one because that's a really good foundation. Any foundation that suits my skin color. Brush it lightly with my foundation brush onto the lace. The next step is to proceed with sticking it down. You gotta glue down your hair. You don't want your frontal to be flying outside. You know it's windy. That's why I wear my hat sometimes, because it's windy and I don't want it to be boom. But you know my wig never ever moves. So let me show you what I use. So we got to be glue. Oh my gosh, I actually sound like a poet right now. I rhyme everything. Alright, so we got the got to be glue, hairspray. I try not to get my edges. I should have wore a wig cap, but I didn't wear a wig cap today because sometimes I feel like it looks better without a wig cap. But if you want to protect your hair, wear a wig cap. Then the next part is tapping it down. You gotta tap that down. You gotta get the comb, the tail comb, and tap that, shh. Tap that, shh, tap that. It's like you're doing knock knock. You're like knock 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 knock. Just tapping it down, making sure that it feels secure. Sometimes I use my fingers as well, but my fingers get sticky, so I don't really like to use my fingers. Then the next thing we're gonna go in with is edge control. I usually use the Missouri edge control, but today I ran out, so this is the edge control that I'm going to use. Basically putting it at the start and then basically brushing it in with a toothbrush. You just gotta swirl and swirl and swirl. I'm going to make my edges look crazy today. Insane, man. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I got 1,000 subscribers. That means there's 1,000 people that's already seen my channel. You know what I mean? Come on. Back to this video. I'm just basically going over my edges. I hold my finger at the start and just kind of just brush it into the hair. I just try to make it look as natural as I possibly can. Now I'm going to go in with the mousse. Now this mousse will be your best friend. You can get it from any beauty supply store. I think you can even get it online. I just go in with the mousse. I try not to put it on my edges. I just put it at the back of the hair. I'm not sure if the camera caught this part of the video. I'm so sorry. I just put it like around here and basically melt the hair into your head. You just like this. Teach you how to dye. Teach you how to dye. That's kind of the vibe that I'm getting. The last step is just to wrap your hair up. I wrap my hair, like, I exaggerate this. I wrap everything. I keep my hair on and then I just do my makeup, which takes about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I take it off. And this is what it looks like after 30 to 40 minutes. You see the edges on swim? Jeez, someone sent me a lifeguard because my edges are just swimming. No, they're not drowning, but they're swimming. No, that didn't make sense. I'll try it. Next time I'll come back with something better in it. But the next step that I do is just spray the rest of my head. Literally in this bottle is just plain water. Try not to use too much products when you got a new wig because it kind of just messes up the hair, especially with curly hair. You gotta be careful. Like, all curly hair needs is mousse and water. Because I deep conditioned this hair yesterday, it didn't really need any mousse. I just sprayed it with water and I just spray it, rub my hands through it, and it just gets its own curl pattern. This hair is water wave hair. I got it from AliExpress. If you guys want the link is going to be down below. I ordered a 10-inch frontal, 8-inch bundles, and I only ended up using 2 bundles and 1 frontal. From the back and all the way round, my hair still looks really full. I also do a couple other hairstyles with this hair. So we're not going to go yet. I'm going to show you other ways that you can wear this hair. You don't have to just wear it as an afro. I sometimes like to wrap my hair in a headscarf because I just feel like it looks really cute and really girly, especially like when I go to poetry performances. Sometimes when I'm running late, I just wrap my hair up real quick, and yeah, it's just easy to do. I put it on my head and I twist it round, but as I get to the bottom of the twist, I make it a little bit more loose. Just wrap it around my head, tuck in any parts of the scarf that are just showing. I can wear it up, I can wear it down, I can have it with like a little bit of my curls showing, and it just looks cute. It looks cute. And another way that I wear my hair is with a hat. I think it's maybe the art in me, the poetry in me, just something. I'm just feeling very creative. I'm kind of switching up my style, the way I dress right now. Sometimes I'll just go out with a hat, a calm like leather jacket, and I just feel like it looks cool. Like, you know what I mean? That's the vibe that I get, you know what I mean? No one can talk to me because I'm looking cool and looking all hipster-fied, but clothes-fied, close-sister. Nah, that doesn't like either. The whole hat vibe is looking real cool right now. I've had so much fun shooting this video, showing you guys how I rock my short water wave curly hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I hope this video was so helpful for you guys, and you know what, I'll see you guys next week with another new video. Bye guys.